Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Snehal and I make videos on fashion, lifestyle and beauty. So I'm here with the most requested video from all of you, and that is the Shein alternatives. As a lot of apps are banned in India now, the Chinese apps are banned in India now, including Shein, Club Factory, all these apps that we were so dependent on for our apparels and home decor and accessories and whatnot. So you all wanted me to pick and choose alternatives for all these brands. So I have done a lot of research on it, because honestly I have not purchased much from Shein or Club Factory. I had just purchased 2 or 3 times from Shein, but there is a bit of quality problem with Shein, because you don't get that good quality though you're getting it in a cheap price. So I never really liked Shein clothes, but as you all have asked me to give you options for that, so I did my research and I'm here with few options for you guys that you can pick and choose in India now. So without any further ado, let's just get started guys. But before that, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel guys. We are soon going to hit 1000 subscribers, and I have an announcement to make here. As soon as I reach 1000 subscribers, I'm going to announce one more giveaway for you all. So make sure that you subscribe to my channel and hit that like button also. So without any further ado, let's just jump into the video. Now the first brand that I'm going to share with you guys is the one that I'm wearing right now, and it is called H&M. I love this brand. Half of my wardrobe is filled with this brand, and this is my most favorite fashion apparel brand. It is so affordable and they have got some amazing styles in apparels, in accessories, footwear, bags and whatnot. You'll get it everything under one roof. So I really like that about this brand, and their clothes and the quality of the product is super amazing, and it is very affordable. It's like a one-stop solution for all your shopping needs under one roof, and they have their stores across India, and they also have an online app, an online store, so you can purchase it online and get your stuff home delivered. So that is the best part about this brand, and it is so good. It is always, they have all the trendy stuff in their collection, and you get multiple styles to choose from and multiple color options and everything. So I'd highly recommend that you check out this brand. So the one that I'm wearing is actually a play suit, a romper dress. So I'm going to insert a picture of this outfit somewhere on the screen so you can check it out. It is super comfortable, the fabric quality is so good, and it was so inexpensive. I got it on discount I guess at that time, and I had got it for 700 or 750 bucks, and it is totally worth it. So highly recommend this brand guys. Do check out their collection online. I have one more top to show you guys from this same brand, and it's like a tube top, crop top, and it has got this nice detailing, and they have multiple colors in this particular style, so you can pick and choose your favorite color. This is so gorgeous. I mean, I'll just attach a picture. You can see it looks stunning when you wear it, and you can team it up with your skirts, with your denims, with your shorts. It looks gorgeous. One more top is from the same brand, H&M, and I told you I have half of my wardrobe from the same brand. So this is like a net fabric top, and it's kind of a singlet, and this looks so gorgeous guys. I have already made a video I guess wearing all this. I have used all these outfits in the outfit ideas video, so you can check that video out. I'll leave the link in the description box down below, and I'll also attach the picture so you can figure it out. Now this also I had got for I guess 990 rupees. So, and the fabric quality is on point. It is amazing. The fit is amazing. So highly recommend this brand. Do try it out. Now the next brand that I want to share with you guys for your apparel shopping or your accessories and bags and footwear shopping is called Lulu and Sky, and they have an app also, and they have their page also on Instagram, so you can check that out. I'll leave the link in the description box down below. So this is the outfit I have from Lulu and Sky. Again, this also I've used in that video, so you can check out that video if you want to check out this outfit. So this is like a long t-shirt inner, it's like this, and then on top of that this is like a empire line skirt. It looks so gorgeous and so stylish guys, and the pictures come amazing when you wear this outfit. And Lulu and Sky have got some amazing beachwear, swimwear and jackets, like the flashy jackets and bomber jackets, amazing stuff they have. Do check it out guys. I'll leave the link in the description box down below. If you're looking for some unique styles, some uncommon styles in dresses, tops or jackets or swimwear or sportswear, everything they have got, so you can check out their collection guys, and it is very inexpensive. It is kind of priced like Shein. See now, Shein was a very at a very cheap brand, but because their fabric quality was also not that great. But these all brands that I'm going to share with you guys have a really good fabric quality also, as in the product quality also, so there is going to be a bit difference of pricing, so keep that in mind. And but these are very affordable ones, durable ones, and I highly recommend these ones. Now next is a brand called Dressberry. It's available on Myntra, so you can check it out. They have apparels, then accessories, handbags, and their footwear is amazing. It is on point and the sizing is so good. They have half sizes also, so you can definitely check out this brand if you want to get some good footwear and very good quality at a very affordable rate. So I had ordered these pumps, these pastel pumps from this brand called Dressberry, and guys, these are so good quality and so amazing. I have used them so much. Look at the halat of this. I have used this so much, and it goes with all your outfits, your Indian outfits, your Western outfits, and they have got some amazing color options also in these, so you can check them out. And I highly recommend this particular style. It looks very classy and very stylish and goes with all your outfits. And this also had gotten 50% off on Myntra, and this was for 750 rupees only, so you definitely would want to check out that brand guys, so do definitely give it a try. They've got some amazing options in heels as well as in flats, so if you want to buy footwear, you know where to head to. So just check out this brand on Myntra. I'm sure you won't be disappointed. Now next I'm going to suggest you a brand for handbags, and that is Miniso. Yeah, you heard me right guys. Miniso has got some amazing handbags. Like if you want the tiny bags like sling bags or your wallets or your like coin holders, purses, they have some amazing and very cute stuff at a very affordable price. So this bag I have bought from Miniso, and it also has a strap. I don't know where, I have lost it somewhere, but you can attach the strap and it becomes a sling bag also. But this is so good, and I have been using this bag for like past 2 years and nothing has happened to this. See the quality of this. And I had bought it only for 600 rupees, I guess 600 or 650, and it's totally worth it. And you can keep everything in this bag, your wallet, your shades, your hairbrush, everything goes in this bag. So I highly recommend you check out Miniso for handbags, for affordable handbags. Now moving on, let's talk about the home decor, because I know all of you want to have that cute stuff that Shein had, and you know, like all those fairy lights and those unicorn mugs and all, but I know the exact place where you can find it all. So there is a page called Shop Mango People on Instagram. I'll leave it in the description box down below, and they've got some amazing stuff, the similar stuff that Shein had, but in a better quality of course. So they have got some stationery, some very cute stationery, then lights, then cute home decor. I'll attach the pictures, you can see those, but you definitely check out this page on Instagram. They also have a website, so you can go on the website and check out for the products. It is an amazing brand at a very affordable rate, so I highly recommend you check it out. Another brand for home decor I would like to suggest to you guys is a PropShop24. They've got some amazing stationery, some storage organizers and cute stuff, travel accessories and jewelry and whatnot. You'll find everything on this particular website. They also have personalized gift sections, so if you want to gift someone, you can personalize the gift for them. And they have got some amazing collection, a very unique collection at a very affordable price. So I highly recommend you check out this brand called PropShop24 for your home decor and gifting and stationery and travel accessories needs. They have got some amazing collection. Then one more brand I would like to mention here is called Punk Clothing, and they have a page on Instagram, so you can check out their page. I have personally actually not purchased anything from their page, but their page looks very promising, and the styles that they have showcased on their page are amazing, very unique and very classy. So you can check out their page and give it a try. One more brand from Myntra I would like to mention here is called Tokyo Talkies, and they also have got some amazing collection in dresses, a very comfy dresses. So you can check out their collection. I had ordered one dress from Myntra from Tokyo Talkies, but unfortunately it was not the right size for me, and they didn't have the size that I needed available, so I had to return it. But I had really loved that dress, and the fabric quality was so good, and it was very comfortable, you know, like very comfortable fabric to wear. So I highly recommend you check this brand called Tokyo Talkies on Myntra, and they're mostly always on discount, so you can, you know, save some money and get the best styles from this brand. So with that we come to an end of this video, guys. I hope you liked watching this video and this video of mine helped you. Do let me know in the comments down below, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys, and hit the like button for this video as well. And I'm going to see you in my next one. Bye.